Okey, mari kita cuba buat set soalan pra PSPM. Ini adalah set soalan pra PSPM KMS 2024-2025. Okay, kita buat sama-sama. Kita baru belajar tentang autopolyploidy. Jadi soalan ini, why do I like this set of question? Usually the kind of question that we saw adalah kalau di autopolyploidy, which is sangat jarang. I don't think I've seen one. Sebab semua soalan memang berfokuskan allopolyploidy. Tapi soalan ni sekarang, tiba-tiba nampak macam ni, student mesti pening-pening sudah. Jadi tengok betul-betul. Dia cakap berlaku polyploidy antara plant species A and B. Okay. So, how do we know which one is allo? Which one is auto? Yang kamu nampak je hybrid AB ni. Hybrid AB, species AB berbeza. So, automatic ini adalah allopolyploidy. But look at this part. Adakah ini allopolyploidy atau auto? Nampak spesies A, masih lagi semua A. Sama. So, this part adalah autopolyploidy. Okay. Jadi, usually, kita akan extract info daripada soalan. Contoh di sini ya, dia cakap, spesies B, genomnya 2n equal to 6. I always tell my student, when you look at the 2n equal to 6, the parent, always find out how many is the gamete. So, gamete n equal to 3. Sama macam sini. Ini 4n equal to 8 kan? Di atas mestilah 2n equal to 4. Macam mana dapat macam ni? Miss simply bahagi 2. Okay, Miss bahagi 2. That's how I get 2n equal to 4. Remember, lagi sekali 2n equal to 4. Cari number gamete n equal to 2. Okay. Dan sekarang ini, macam mana kita mau double confirm? Dekat sini nampak after doubling of chromosome dapat 2n equal to 10. So, kita I buat dari atas macam yang kita buat. So, n equal to 2 plus n equal to 3. I will do n plus n equal to 5. Kita double check. Kalau after chromosome doubling, dapatkah 10? Dapat. 5 darab 2 dapat 10. And then genomnya pun 2n. Okay, that's how you know our calculation is perfect. So now let's look at the question. What type of polyploidy occurred in figure 5.2? Dia cakap figure 5.2. All of this is a part of figure 5.2. So dua-dua ada, wajib tulis dua-dua, baru ada satu markah. Okay. Next question. State the number of chromosome for species A and hybrid AB. Okay, species A tadi kamu sudah nampak 2n equal to 4. And hybrid AB adalah 5 kromosom. Betul. Yang ini bahaya. I don't like when you put macam ni jawapan tiba-tiba okay 4, 5. Kamu orang suruh pula tu examiner pilih mana satu jawapan. Tak maulah macam tu. So, I want you to write down species A 4 chromosome, hybrid AB 5 chromosome. That's the best way to write down your answer. Okay, so the next one, identify process X. What is process X? Kita fusekan species A dan B bersama. Kita panggilnya sebagai hybridization. Ya kah? Betul, hybridization. Okay. Complete the mechanism in figure 5.2 starting from hybrid AB to the production of the new species. From hybrid AB to the production of new species. So hybrid AB, kamu kena tulis doubling of chromosome ataupun chromosome doubling. Pastikan darab 2. So maksudnya 5 darab 10. 5 darab 10 pula. 5 darab 2, 10. And then this one, of course, now dia ada pasangan, dapatlah 2n. Okay, so I hope you guys understand already about autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. As always, if you've got any questions, do let me know. Alright, take care.